Hi besties, I'm here to share with you this delicious beef stew recipe. Okay, so do you know what you're going to do? Grab yourself some juice, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients I'm going to use for the recipe. Okay, so you can pause and go through the ingredients. Feel free to use the available ingredients in your kitchen. Okay, not necessarily what I'm using. So in this recipe I'm going to use beef, then I will use some onion paste, garlic paste, ginger paste, blended tomatoes, tomato paste, blended pepper, and then my stew spice. Okay, so I have rosemary, I have bay leaf, I have shrimp cube, all purpose spice. Just feel free to use what you're going to use. And then my beef seasoning, I have chicken spice, I have bay leaf, all purpose seasoning, I have chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my beef and then I'll cook it. Okay, so I added my beef seasoning, I stirred very well, and then I covered it. I didn't add water. So the beef produced water by itself. So that is what I used in cooking this beef. I didn't add water. So time to fry our beef. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my vegetable oil. Feel free to use any vegetable oil of your choice, alright? Fry your beef till it becomes golden brown. So after I fried the beef, I fried my sausage as well. Paper towel has been so helpful because it helps absorb the excess oil. So I'm done frying my protein, so let's start the preparation of the stew. Okay, using the same oil. So I'll go ahead and pour my onion paste and stir for 2 minutes, and then I'll add my garlic and ginger paste. Okay, and then leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so after 5 minutes I'll add my tomato paste. Okay, and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. All right, it's very necessary. So I'll add my blended pepper and then stir to mix. All right, then I add my blended tomatoes. So at this point you can lower your stove and cover it to cook. All right, so at this point go ahead and add your stock, okay, if you have any. So at this point I'll go ahead and add my spices and then stir. Okay, so I'll leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will add my beef, and after you add your beef you can go ahead and add any vegetable of your choice. Okay, so I added onions because I really love onions. So you can also use carrots, any vegetable of your choice. And then after you put the vegetables, don't let it cook for long. Okay, let it cook for about 5 minutes or 3 minutes, and then your stew is ready. So if this video makes sense to you, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe, like, follow, share for me for more interesting and amazing recipe. My name is Dr. Rosie. I bring you nothing but the best. See you in my next recipe. Bye.